Good morning my dear students at solid state, in which in this video we are going to calculate easy way to calculate packing efficiency or packing fraction in simple cubic. Easy way to calculate packing efficiency or packing fraction in simple cubic unit cell. A very easy formula to calculate the packing fraction or packing efficiency. Packing fraction or efficiency. What is actually packing efficiency? There is some free space between the spheres of a single layer and the sphere of the successive layer. There is some free space between the spheres of the single layer and the spheres of the successive layers. The percentage of total volume occupied by these constituent spheres gives the packing fraction or packing efficiency. The percentage of total volume occupied by these constituent spheres gives the packing efficiency of an arrangement. Now we are going to calculate the packing fraction or efficiency. The general formula is total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell. Total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell. Volume occupied by sphere, we know the volume formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is that word total? It implies that total number of atom in the particular unit cell. We know the total number of atom in simple cubic is 1, body centered cubic 2 and face centered cubic 4. So after calculating the volume occupied by the sphere in the unit cell, we have to multiply that volume value into the total number of atoms belonging to the given unit cell. Simple cubic means this value equal to 1, body centered cubic this value equal to 2, and for face centered cubic this total is 4. Volume of the unit cell is constant because we are studying only cubic unit cell. In cubic unit cell, all edge length are equal. The distance between 2 points in a cubic unit cell is equal, A, taken as A. Now, in simple cubic, first we are going to calculate volume occupied by sphere in the unit cell. Volume occupied by the sphere in the unit cell. Volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell. What is the formula? All you know formula in your lower standards. You studied the formula used to calculate volume, nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in this volume formula 4 by 3 pi r constant, we have to find out this radius value from this simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic, all the atoms are present only at the corner, and in simple cubic all the edge length are equal. All the edge length are equal. This edge length A consists of how many radius? Here you have one semisphere, another semisphere. This is one r value, this is another r value. So in simple cubic 2r equal to A. Therefore, r equal to A by 2. R equal to A by 2. When you apply r value in this equation, you will continue 4 by 3 pi R value a by 2 the whole cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi into a cube by 2 cube equal to 8. Now we can cancel. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, that is equal to pi a cube divided by 2 into 3s are 6. So this is volume occupied by the sphere. So 2 into 3s are 6. Volume occupied by sphere in a unit cell equal to pi a cube by 6. But our numerator in the calculation of packing fraction is total volume occupied by the sphere in simple cubic unit cell is equal to that total value. Total, this word implies that in simple cubic total number of atom is equal to 1 into our volume pi a cube by 6. What is our denominator in the formula, packing fraction formula? Volume of the unit cell. Our unit cell is cubic unit cell. Volume of the unit cell. Our unit cell is cubic unit cell. Therefore, all the edge length are equal. So, A into A equal to A cube is the volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell. Now, we can calculate the packing fraction or packing efficiency. Packing fraction or packing efficiency equal to pi a cube by 6 whole divided by volume of the unit cell a cube into 100. That is equal to, bring the a cube value to the numerator, it becomes pi a cube by 6 into 1 by a3 into 100. Which one is cancelled, dear student? A cube and a cube are cancelled. So, pi by 6 into 100, pi value we know 3.14 by 6 into 100. You can cancel 6 and 3.14. You can cancel 6 and 3.14, that is easy cancellation. 1 6 is 6. 0. How many 6 are? 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Remaining 1 14. 2 6 are 12. Remaining 2 20. So 3 6 are 18. Remaining 2 20. 3 6 are 18 and goes on. Here there is no point. 0.5233 into 100 will give 52.33% is the packing fraction in simple cubic unit cell. Only 52.33% of the available volume is occupied by the sphere. This is the available volume occupied by the sphere in simple cubic, making insufficient use of available space and hence minimizing the attractive forces. Remember always how to find out free space in simple cubic. How to find out free space in simple cubic. Free space, that is equal to 100 minus 52.33 will give free spaces. When we subtract 10 minus 3 equal to 7, 9, 6, here you have 9, 7, 9, 4. Remember, 47.67% of free space present in simple cubic and the sphere in the corner occupy 52.33%. When you approximately see, compare these two value, 50% 50% occupied by sphere and 50% occupied by free space. And remember one more important one word, of all the metal in the periodic table, only bolonium crystallizes in simple cubic pattern. Bolonium crystallizes in simple cubic pattern. Bolonium discovered by the famous scientist Marie Curie. After discovery of bolonium, why the element is named as bolonium? Marie Curie belongs to the country Poland. So, the element is named as a mother country name bolonium. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. In the incoming video also, we are going to calculate the packing efficiency in body centered cubic and face centered cubic. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like the videos. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.